First problem for 8EEA4 deals with performing operations on scientific notation. It says the largest marine animal is the blue whale with an average mass of about 1.7, oops, I need a pen to write, with an average mass of about 1.7 times 10 to the 5th kilograms. It looks like that's going to be important, so I'm going to underline it. The largest land animal ever is thought to be a dinosaur that had a mass of about 8 times 10 to the 4 kilograms. What's the approximate difference in mass between these two animals? First, we need to decide what we need to do. This term difference tells us exactly what we do. Difference means we subtract. We find the difference in two numbers. Let's see, we want the difference in these two. So we're going to subtract 1.7 times 10 to the 5th minus 8 times 10 to the 4th. When we subtract or when we add, we have to have scientific notation such that the exponents are the same. So I need to convert one of these. I'm going to convert this one, 8 times 10 to the 4th. And I'm going to convert that, since I'm trying to set it up with this, I'm going to convert it times 10 to the 5th. We're going to go from 8 times 10 to the 4th to whatever that would be times 10 to the 5th. If we're going from an exponent of 4 to 5, we add 1. When we look at that, this is for our Lars decision. Lars says if you add on your exponents, then you go left. So we start with our decimal here. We go one place left. This would be 0.8 times 10 to the 5th. 8 times 10 to the 4th is equal to 0.8 times 10 to the 5th. Okay, so let's set this up. 1.7 times 10 to the 5th, and we're going to subtract 10 to the 5th. Let's get that written. Not a negative 5th, that's a positive 5th. Let's make sure we erase that little thing so we don't get that confused. And we're going to subtract from that 0.8 times 10 to the 5th. Remember, the exponents have to be the same. Minus 0.8 times 10 to the 5th. Notice, 10 to the 5th is the same here in both places. Our exponents are the same, so that'll work. 1.7 minus 0.8 would give us 0.9 times 10 to the 5th kilograms. Okay, now they've got it in exponential notation, right? So we're going to need to change this one from 0.9 times 10 to the 5th to 9. Okay, if I'm going one place, which way did I go? I went right, didn't I? Lars says if I go right, I subtract on my exponents. I start at 5, and I'm going right one place, so I subtract 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 9 times 10 to the 4th. And there's our answer right there.